Hello folks and welcome back to a new video. Recently I got my hands on the cheapest 3D printer that the internet has to offer. And today I wanted to see if this printer is any good or if you're better off buying the more expensive but better options. I will start by loading the G-code of a small Banshee, and I will use the white filament that came with the printer, although I already got a new spool of PLA. On the provided memory card, I found the slicer software and some instructions on how to set it up and use it. Banshee is a little tugboat that is known as a 3D printing benchmark that helps improving your prints. If you want to know more, just look it up after this video. Keep in mind that I'm no expert, but to me the result doesn't look too bad, although there are some spots that are not exactly right. If you have any idea on how I can improve this, please let me know in the comments. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with some tips or tricks on 3D printing, as some of you probably have a lot more knowledge and experience in this field. Now let me show you some more 3D prints that I did on this printer. Although there is room for improvement on my side, I think that this printer is perfectly usable. But if I were to buy a 3D printer and use it frequently, I would go for the more expensive options that might give more bang for the buck. I am sure that a heated bed would improve things as well, along with a better filament holder that I am already working on. That's it for today. Please subscribe to support me and consider leaving a like on this video. Thanks for watching and until next time.